Hello! To send GIFs on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all you have to do is simply go into your Messages application, and let me quickly change it right now. Alright, go to your Messages application and select any contact that you'd like to send a GIF to, and simply right here when you're in the Google Messages application, press this plus icon right here, and here you can see there are GIFs. Simply select any GIF that you'd like to send, and it is available right now in this text box, and additionally you can add some text to this GIF and simply send it just like this. You can also perform this operation, this action actually. You can send GIFs from the Samsung Messages application if you're using the Samsung Messages application. Let me just show you how to do this. Let's go into this application. Let me change it real quick, and right here select your contact you want to send it to. You might be able to find it under this plus icon, but in case you cannot find it right here, you can find it right here as you press on this smiley face on the text box, and right here you might find, here are the emojis actually, and here there are also GIFs, I mean. Press continue, and right here there are GIFs available. So you simply press on the GIF, and right now it is in this text box again, and here you can input some text also and send it. The same case just like in the Google Messages application. So that's it. Thank you for watching.